Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit TikTok videos using CapCut with the exact sound you want, step by step. First, open the CapCut app and tap on New Project. Choose the video from your phone's gallery that you want to edit. Once it's loaded, you'll see it on the timeline where you can trim, cut, or add effects later. Now let's add your TikTok sound. To do that, go to the TikTok app and find a video that uses the sound you want. Tap the share icon and download that video to your phone. This will save the video, including the sound, to your gallery. Once the TikTok video is downloaded, go back to CapCut, tap on the audio option, and then select Extracted. Choose the TikTok video you just saved. CapCut will automatically pull the audio from that video and add it to your timeline. Now you can match your video clips with the beat, cut or rearrange scenes, and even add text, filters, and transitions to make your video look more polished. Once you're happy with your edit, tap the export button in the top right corner to save your video. It'll be stored in your gallery, and from there you can simply open TikTok and upload it. Let me know in the comments if you want tutorials on adding effects or captions too.